Tuborg Brewery. Tuborg is a Danish brewing company, founded in 1873, on a harbour in Hellerup, to the north of Copenhagen, Denmark. Since 1970, it has been part of the Carlsberg Group. The brewery's flagship, the Tuborg Pilsner, was brewed for the first time in 1880. Location: Fredericia, Denmark. Opened 1873, 151 years ago. Annual production volume: 2 million hectoliters, 1.7 million US beer barrels. Other products: soft drinks. Owned by Carlsberg Group. Website: tuborg.com. Beers of Tuborg Brewery. Tuborg sells a variety of beers in over 31 countries. These varieties include Tuborg Green, Tuborg Classic, Tuborg Summer, Tuborg Lemon, Tuborg Christmas Beer, Tuborg Gold, Tuborg Red, Tuborg Twist, Tuborg Tropical, Tuborg Black, Tuborg Malta, Tuborg Ice Draft, and Tuborg Fine Festival. Tuborg Green. Tuborg Green has been produced since 1880 and is the best-selling beer among young people in Denmark. It was the country's first real lager. Tuborg Green Organic, introduced in 2022. Tuborg Raw began as a festival beer on tap in 2015 in a can and later also in a bottle in pubs. Tuborg Classic. Tuborg Classic was introduced to the market on the 1st of February 1993 to mark the brewery's 120th anniversary. The beer is a darker Pilsner type with 4.6% alcohol, which is marketed with the slogan, "A little more of everything." Tuborg Gold. Tuborg Gold is a strong lager with an alcohol strength of 5.6%. The beer was originally developed for export and was launched in Denmark in 1895. Tuborg Christmas Brew. Tuborg Julebrygge saw the light of day in 1981. It is a darker and slightly stronger beer, 5.6% alcohol, than the traditional lager, and Tuborg Christmas Brew comes in a dark version and also in a light version, 5.6% alcohol. Tuborg Weihnachtspilsner, introduced with a label similar to the Danish Julebrygge, but the strength is not the same. Tuborg Summer beer mix, launched in the summer 2013. Tuborg Red. Raw Tuborg was the very first beer Tuborg Bryggeriet produced. It hit the streets for the first time in 1875. The beer was originally sold as Lagerøl but was popularly called Red, which at some point became the beer's official name. Tuborg Red Lager. The beer type has been sold in Denmark since 1875. Brewed from a large proportion of Munich malt, as well as Pilsner malt, caramel malt, and colored malt. Also sold in Israel and Italy under the name Red Label. Tuborg Blue. Tuborg Blue, introduced in the 6th of February 2007. Dark fruity beer with caramel notes and only a slight bitterness from the hops. Added aromas and caramel color. Launched together with Tuborg White. Tuborg White. Tuborg White, introduced in the 6th of February 2007. Pale ale-inspired beer with a fresh taste of citrus and flowers from the hops. Added aroma. Launched together with Tuborg Blue. Tuborg CHR4, in the trade, in the 1st of February 1988. On the occasion of CHR4's 400-year government anniversary. Brewed on top yeast and white malt. 4.3% weight percentage. Tuborg Golden Classic, officially introduced in April 26, 2004. Brewed on a cascade hop that can give a citrusy flavor. The taste is rounded off with brewing syrup. Caramel malt gives the dark color. Phase out began spring 2007. Tuborg Classic Wheat, introduced officially in April 2, 2002, but in stores already in March 29. Phase out began spring 2007. Tuborg Copenhagen Pride, introduced on the occasion of Copenhagen Pride, 15th to the 20th of August 2017. Tuborg Dark Special, import to Belgium in 1987. Denmark Pilsner, Tuborg, export to the USA. Tuborg Red, sold in Italy and Israel. Tuborg non-alcoholic, Arne Dahl designed for Arab countries. Tuborg Royal Export, made in United Romanian breweries. Tuborg Special Beer, Özel Bira, brewed since 1955 in Turkey. Tuborg brewed under license by Pripps in Sweden. Tuborg Lime Cut, introduced in the spring 2010. Tuborg Easter Brew, Pastbrike, is also a seasonal beer, with its own very special tradition, and day associated with it, P-Day, which admittedly does not reach the same heights as J-Day. Tuborg Pastbrike, also called Kilkil, is a golden and slightly sweet beer with an alcohol strength of 5.4%. Tuborg Fine Festival, or simply FF, is a strong lager with an alcohol strength of 7.5%. The beer was introduced in 1955 on the occasion of Queen Elizabeth's coronation. Tuborg Greenland Brew, introduced in the 15th of November 1954 on the occasion of SAS's new route from Copenhagen via Greenland to Los Angeles. Tuborg Posten Deck, 1954. The stubby bottle is newer and made for the Greenlandic market, designed by Arne Dahl. Tuborg Zero, Tuborg Null, is a non-alcoholic beer lager. Tuborg Zero, introduced in 2020. Tuborg Zero was made for young peoples, so they don't drink too much alcohol, and it was also made for replace the 3 other alcohol-free beers that the brewery has also made before, exactly Tuborg Light, Tuborg Super Light and Tuborg Light beers. Tuborg Null includes Tuborg Null Original, Tuborg Null Mango and Passion Fruit, and Tuborg Null Citrus. Tuborg Super Light is an alcohol-free lager, 0.1%, brewed like Gruntuborg, but with subsequent removal of the alcohol. It was introduced in 1993. Non-alcoholic beer, introduced September 1993. Brewed on Pilsner malt. After fermentation, the alcohol is removed by an evaporation process that takes place under vacuum. Introduced in cans in 2005. Tuborg Light. In 2008, Tuborg tried to develop a light beer that was marketed as Tuborg Light, with an alcohol strength of 0.5%. At the launch, the brewery had high expectations for the new beer type, but the beer did not catch on and is no longer produced. Like Carlsberg, Tuborg introduced this new type of beer in May 2008. There is 30% fewer calories than in a regular lager. Tuborg Ultra Green. Tuborg Ultra Green was a beer produced by Tuborg, which was sold in an oblong 33 centiliters can and with an alcohol of 6.5%. It was launched in the summer of 2013, but did not achieve the expected sales, and is no longer manufactured. Tuborg Mum, introduced in the 15th of March 1951. A strong export beer type, in the luxury class. Discontinued March 31, 1957. Brunswicker Mum was originally a German beer variety. It was brewed in the 14th century, in Braunschweig. It was a thick, sweet, and heavily spiced beer. It could have added cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, buttercup and cherry juice. Tuborg Porter, Stout, first on the market in 1907. Was gone during World War II. Was reintroduced on September 1, 1951. The alcohol percentage was approximately 6% ABV. Advertised in Denmark's Handelstidende December 1954. However, Tuborg Porter was already introduced shortly after the war, but only for export and under the name Tuborg Stout. Tuborg Lemon Porter, a mixture of porter and lemon water, introduced on the 1st of April 1997, had only a short time on the market. Tuborg Royal Brew. The Danish royal couple, Frederik IX and Ingrid, visited Tuborg on the 4th of May 1957. The Queen started this brew. Tuborg Royal Danish, Royal Denmark Brew, was for several years used as a gift beer in Denmark. Tuborg presented depot owners and others with a case of the special beer. Designer Arne Dahl made design proposals for Carlsberg and Tuborg for several years. Many times the first proposals were made as drawings on paper attached to existing cans with adhesive tape. Tuborg Royal Navy Brew, originally brewed on the occasion of the coronation of Queen Elizabeth in England on the 2nd of June 1953, in gratitude that England stood for the liberation of Denmark in 1945. Tuborg's Tea Beer, Introduced on the 23rd of September 2002, at the same time is the reintroduction of cans in Denmark. Taken off the market in 2003, the target group was young. Reintroduced in a clear bottle in 2005. Wits, Tuborg Shandy, in the trade, the 7th of May 1984. Starting point in the brewing of an ordinary Pilsner, which, by adding flavoring substances, extracted from lime, and citrus fruits, became a product with a low alcohol content. Produced until mid-1985. Non-alcoholic drinks by Tuborg. Tuborg also produces non-alcoholic drinks. Tuborg Null is a non-alcoholic beer that comes in both classic and citrus flavors. Tuborg's oldest non-alcoholic drink in production today is Squash, a popular orange soda created in 1936. The branding for Squash was redesigned in 2022 by the Danish design company Everland for the advertising agency. History of Tuborg Brewery. The name Tuborg comes from Theusborg, Theus Castle, a Copenhagen inn from the 1690s, situated in the area of the brewery. This evolved and was adopted into local place names such as Lille Tuborg and Store Tuborg. Tuborg Vej in Copenhagen is named after the site of the original Tuborg brewery. Philip Hayman, the 5th of November 1837 to the 15th of December 1893, was a Danish Jewish industrialist who co-founded in 1873 the Tuborg brewery, together with C.F. Tietgen, Gustav Brock, and Rudolf Pagard. After Hayman's death, the Tuborg brewery merged with the Fonnet Bryggerier in 1894. Which through this way, entered into a profit-sharing agreement with Carlsberg in 1903. Benny Dessau, Hayman's son-in-law, was a director of the Fonnet Bryggerier, followed by his son Einar Dessau in 1919. Tuborg during the occupation. During the occupation, because of his Jewish background, Einar Dessau had to flee to Sweden in November 1943, where he joined the resistance work. After the war, he resumed his position at Tuborg. In the last year of the war, Tuborg's boiler house was destroyed on the 5th of January, or Schalburgtage, but beer deliveries could still be continued the next day, thanks to outside help. Outside of Denmark, Tuborg's export beer is a well-known brand. Local production also takes place. The Tuborg brand is particularly strong in the Eastern European markets. In 2000, Tuborg was represented on 104 markets worldwide, primarily with Guld Tuborg. The Pilsner Grøn Tuborg is one of Denmark's most popular beers, and the international version of the beer also does well in around 70 countries, especially Turkey, Sweden, and Germany, and a total growth of 17% in 2006. April 2007, Tuborg was launched on the competitive British market. Tuborg is the largest licensed beer brand in Russia. In Denmark, Tuborg is brewed by Carlsberg Denmark and is available in approximately 10 types, while abroad it is mostly only covered by Gold Tuborg and Green Tuborg. Marketing of Tuborg. In 1990, Tuborg launched their annual Christmas brew on the second Wednesday in November with the marketing term J-Day, Snowstorm, Blizzard, and Snowfall are also used. J stands for Jal, Christmas, or Julebrite, Christmas brew. Similarly, there is P-Day for Påskebrygge, Easter brew. In 1999, J-Day moved to the first Friday in November. Traffic police laid out an alcohol control plan for that evening. In 2009, J-Day was moved again to the last Friday in October, but in 2010, it returned to the first Friday in November. Tuborg sponsorships. In 2008, Tuborg announced a sponsorship deal with Reading and Leeds music festivals to become their exclusive official beer partner, a position held in previous years by Carling. In 2009, it also arranged an exclusive deal with the Download Festival to be the official beer and have a dedicated stage named after the beer. Tuborg also sponsors the Tuborg Image Awards, an annual music award presentation that takes place in Nepal. This is all about Tuborg Brewery. For more such good informative contents, please subscribe to our channel.